Hi, everyone. It's been a while since I posted something recent. It's because I've been dealing with some injuries that have kind of kept me from doing what I want to do. Starting to heal up now, feeling a little bit better. So I wanted to give you guys just a preview of what I've been working on, what you'll see on the channel in the future. Thanks to you guys. Thanks to you watching, sharing my videos, liking my videos. I've started to get enough views and enough support that companies are starting to reach out to me to send me products to review for my channel. And I try to keep the products relevant to what potential technicians or people who are going to work on cars and trucks would want to use. And that could be anything from tools to actual parts. So some in the past you've seen I've done some shocks and struts and some other things. But so some upcoming videos that you're going to be seeing. My friends at Auto One LED, they're going to be providing me with some LED lights to put on my truck, and we're going to do a before and after comparison to see if they're worth the purchase to put on there. Right now, my low beams are pretty dim, and I don't like them that much. I'm hoping that these make a big difference. So you're going to be seeing a before and after video of how good these things are. Auto One is a well-known brand, so I'm hoping that they work out really well for us. Another company that sent me a product is Lightband. Lightband sent me this nifty, uh, basically, let me open it up for you and show you. It's basically a head beam, right? You wear it on your head beam, and this has been a lot of fun. I'm almost done recording the video for this one, and I tell you what, you're going to like the video because I beat the crap out of this thing testing it out for you guys. So that video is coming up. I've also got some products from Wheel Mask and Tire Masking Company that if you're working in the trucking world and you have to keep rims nice and clean and painted, that the masking of the wheels and stuff takes some time so you don't get overspray on tires and stuff like that. This kit is reusable and allows you to spray and use the kit on multiple wheels, multiple trucks over and over again. I'm looking forward to trying that out for you guys. And just remember, though, that the more you watch the videos, the more you like them, the more you share them, the more that I'm going to be able to attract people to send me tools and stuff so I can try them out, test them, and let you know if they're any good or not. And so if you guys want to get a preview of what it is I'm going to be showing you guys in the future, just take a look at the links that I'm going to provide in the about section about the video or in the comment section. And I'll put some links for the products. And just remember that you can also help the channel because some of the things that I do preview for you guys or recommend that you guys buy if you're interested in being a technician are things that I'm paying for myself. And by buying products that I affiliate with on Amazon and stuff helps me pay for those other products that aren't being sent to me for free. So please support the people that are supporting my channel. Go to Auto One, go to Lightband, and check out their products on the links that I provided. I appreciate it. Thank you.